As you come as the head of an important and powerful country, which is allied with us in CETO, which is associated with us in CENTO, which represents a powerful force for freedom in your area of the world.
I am overwhelmed by the warmth of reception, Mr. President, you have given me, and very kind words you have expressed about my country and its relationship with your country. Now I'm looking forward to having the opportunity of exchanging views with you, and I have no doubt that our area of understanding will enlarge as a result of it, and our friendship will get stronger.
Full military honors are paid to President Ayoub, World War II veteran of the Burma Front and the former commander of his country's armed forces. In Mr. Kennedy's new presidential limousine, the two presidents acknowledge the cheers of the throng. The end of the parade finds the presidential party at the Blair House, the president's official guest house, where the distinguished visitor will stay for the first 3 days of his 8-day visit in the United States. A few miles up the Potomac River from Washington is Mount Vernon, home of George Washington, the first president of the United States. President Ayoub and his daughter are the guests of President and Mrs. Kennedy at a state dinner there. It is the first time a state dinner is held at this historic shrine.